The palace vowed to the public that it is meticulously scrutinizing the proposed budget for next year. Here's a report.
The palace has assured the public the controversial 2025 national budget proposal is undergoing a meticulous assessment. The Presidential Communications Office previously said that President Bongbong Marcos was aiming to sign the 6.352 trillion national budget on December 30. The target date was rescheduled from December 20. But despite having a few days left before the deadline, the president and his cabinet are said to be rigorously assessing the proposal. Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin said the president should ensure the budget proposal is constitutional. He also claimed that PBBM is most prudent in financial programming. Some groups are calling for the president to remove the allegedly unconstitutional items from the budget proposal. But Bersamin said the president is looking closer at the documents with or without the pressure from some groups. Bersamin added the government is assessing their budget based on the country's top priorities. Marcos earlier promised the 2025 project will focus on his administration's important and priority projects. For News 5, Maricel Halili, We Are One News.
Yun. So abangan natin yan, December 30, doon sa pagpirma ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang ating budget na very, very controversial. Tinawag pa ni Senator Amy Marcos na very, very bad budget. Tapos yung iba naman, ano daw, political patronage. Ang,
a lot of experts, especially mga financial experts, have said this budget seems to have a large number of insertions that are undetermined or unprogrammed, which is another way of well, wala ng pork barrel, so it's another way of disguising the pork barrel.
Oo,
And
lalo't mag-election ba?
ayoko, yun ang sasabihin ko sana. Ayoko sana
Isipin.
I don't want to accuse anyone of that, but a lot of people are saying, well, ano bang event next year? Nagkataon kung kailan ang daming insertions, ang daming unprogrammed funds, it's the elections.
Oo. So ngayon, sinasabi nila, they need to do, sabi ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos and his team, na itong budget na to,
Yun,
they have to make
oo.
sure na according pa rin ito sa Constitution.
Very good yun, oo.
So ano kayang mangyayari? Because syempre, hindi naman pwedeng mag-veto, mag-line veto ang presidente, pero hindi siya pwedeng mag-realign.
Oo.
Diba? So ang pwede daw mangyari dyan, kung magla-line veto siya ng mga provisions like yung sa health, PhilHealth, or sa Department of Education, ang mangyayari daw dyan ay re-request ng supplemental budget through the Congress.
Oo.
Ang ayaw lang nila mangyari dyan yung reenacted budget because
kasi
it is unprecedented pala ang reenacted budget na ito if ever. Dahil yung mga reenacted budget before, ang dahilan ng mga reenacted budget ay hindi nakapag-convene o hindi natapos ng both houses yung kanilang budget.
Dito kasi tapos na to.
Oo,
pero
ito tapos na. So hindi po pwede. There will be legality.
There's an issue of amounts
Legality
kasi. And then ayaw pa ng President magpa-bycam ulit because it takes up too much time. So we will see what happens on December 30, how they go about this. But you're right kasi yung mga reenacted budget before is failure to, number one, either agree upon both chambers failed to agree on the same versions, or number two, simple lang hindi sila umabot sa quorum.
Oo, kasi ito, tapos na eh. Tapos na, nag-bycam na. Tapos yung suggestion naman ni Senator Amy Marcos na to go back and mag-bycam, medyo malabo na daw yan dahil nga doon sa sa usapin ng timeline, di ba, sa usapin ng oras. So, yun ang mangyayari. So, we will see kung ano ba yung magiging budget natin na napaka-controversial nga. Pinakamalaki na sinasabi nila dinagdag na budget ay yung DPWH. Diba? So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari dito. Kasi, di ba sabi nga, parang malaking sampal ito sa mukha ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Dahil pinakita naman na, di ba, nila doon sa, ang tawag doon, yung kanilang forecast, di ba, yung mga pinagplanuhan na budget, tapos hindi pa rin na-prioritize ng both, ng BICAM, di ba, yung kanilang gustong gawin sa budget.
Tapos na, and yet hindi pa tapos.
Oo.